Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Workshop. Today we will make a delicious energy-dense vegan protein shake composed of 4 simple ingredients: coconut milk, a medium-chain fatty acid composed largely of lauric acid. When comparing coconut to butter and olive oil, coconut reduces the bad cholesterol and at the same time increasing our good cholesterol or SDL cholesterol and decreases inflammation or CRP. Our second ingredient is the green cardamom, which is a rich source of minerals, vitamins, and fiber. Our third ingredient is overnight soaked peanuts. Now those with allergy can use almonds. Peanuts are a rich source of fibers, minerals, and vitamins, lowering our cholesterol, our blood pressure due to high potassium magnesium, has high antioxidant effect, protects the inner lining of our blood vessels, and against inflammation and heart disease. In fact, a large study of 2010 men and women followed for 32 years, just 2 or more servings of peanuts per week led to a 15% reduction in heart disease. And now you know the reasons. Our final ingredient is bananas. Again, a rich source of minerals and fiber, in particular pectin, high antioxidant effect, beneficial effect on our gut, lowering cholesterol, blood pressure, and boosting our immunity by increasing white cells. So let's begin. I am going to demonstrate a simple way to get the refreshing, delicious coconut water. Simply identify the soft eye and with a knife core it out and pour it in a cup and then enjoy the refreshing, delicious drink. I certainly did. Next, I used water to circumscribe the coconut, and I would urge caution here. Carefully, without hurting yourself, I used a hammer to break the coconut in half and take the meat and dice it, and use a powerful blender, in my case a Ninja, you can use Vitamix, to dice them, and then I add water and blend it. And then I use a cheesecloth to strain my fresh coconut milk. It was delicious and very fragrant, by the way. You can easily store this for a week. Now my 4 ingredients you have already, which is the ripe banana, the coconut milk, overnight soaked peanuts, and cardamom. So now in my blender, I took 1 serving of overnight soaked peanuts, half a cup of coconut milk, half of the ripe banana, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and gave it a final mix to make my refreshing, delicious, energy-dense protein shake, rich in fiber, again, of course, in fat, the good fat, and minerals and vitamins. Begin your own journey to health and happiness. Visit us at Holistic Workshop, and thank you for watching.